Hi dear students, welcome to Kavitha's NEET classes. In this lecture, we shall be discussing the questions from the previous year NEET examinations from the topic connective tissues. I have made a series of lectures on epithelial tissues and connective tissues prior to this lecture, and it is on my channel. So please go check out those videos before you watch this video. So in this lecture, we will be discussing the questions which have appeared in previous year NEET examinations on the topic connective tissues. Choose the correctly matched pair. They are asking us to choose the correct pair. So, tendon is a specialized connective tissue? No. What are the specialized connective tissue? Cartilage, bone and blood are the specialized connective tissues. Then, adipose tissue is a dense connective tissue. This is also wrong because adipose tissue is a loose connective tissue. Then, areolar tissue is a loose connective tissue? Yes, areolar and adipose tissue both are loose connective tissues. So, this is the right answer. C is the right answer option. Next, the supportive skeletal structures in the human external ears and in the nose tip are examples of. So, which is the type of connective tissue which we have in our nose tips and in our ear pinna? That is the cartilage or bone or areolar tissue or ligament. What is a ligament? Ligament is a connective tissue which connects a bone with a bone. Okay, so ligament is a wrong answer. Areolar is a smooth connective tissue. That is also wrong answer. Bone is not an answer. Cartilage is the right answer. Okay, so D is the right answer option. The kind of tissue that forms the supportive structure in our ear pinna. The kind of tissue that forms the supportive structure in our ear pinna is also found in. So what we have in our ear pinna? We have cartilage. So cartilage is also present in the nose tip. So C is the right answer. In which one of the following preparations are you likely to come across cell junctions most frequently? So we have discussed about three different kinds of cell junctions, isn't it? Tight junctions, adhered junctions and gap junctions that are present in between epithelial cells. So epithelial cells is the right answer. So here it is ciliated epithelium. D is the right answer. Areolar connective tissue joins. What is it that joins bones with bones? Is it tendon? No, it is not tendon. It is ligament. So bones are connected with bones by ligament. And areolar and fat body with muscles? No. Integument with muscles? Yes, this is the right answer. This is bones are connected with muscles through tendons, isn't it? So this is the right answer. Bones are connected with bones by ligament. Bones are connected with muscles by tendons. And the fat storing cells are the adipose tissue. So this is the right answer. Okay. C is the right answer. The mast cells. So mast cells are an important cell in the immune system. They secrete histamine and heparin. So histamine is here. So D is the right answer option. Mast cells of connective tissue contains histamine and heparin. So B is the right answer option. Which one of the following contains the largest quantity of extracellular material? It is the areolar tissue. Why? Because it is a loose connective tissue, isn't it? So it has the largest quantity of extracellular material wherein you can find the cells are suspended very far away from each other. So that is why areolar tissue is the right answer. Collagen. Collagen is a fibrous protein, isn't it? It is secreted by cells called as fibroblasts. So, answer option A is the correct one. So, with this, we shall wind up this lecture on the discussion of the previous year question papers based on the topic connective tissue. In my future lectures, I'll also be discussing muscular and neural tissues. So please watch those lectures as well. Until I meet you in the next lecture, take care.